Nothing kills a weekend trip faster than clicking your starter and hearing absolutely nothing. I've been there, stuck in the mud with a dead Honda, so I decided to pick up the 5 most popular replacement batteries to see which ones actually hold a charge when things get cold. I've put these through their paces so you don't have to guess. Product number 1. Mighty Max YT7B-BS. When I first pulled this Mighty Max out of the box, I noticed how compact it felt. It's a 12-volt 6.5 Ah battery, and while it isn't the heaviest thing I've lugged around, the casing feels solid. During my testing, the 110 cold cranking amps, or CCA, handled chilly morning starts without much drama. Since it's an AGM battery, I didn't have to worry about acid leaking everywhere while I was bouncing over rocks. I love that you can mount it in pretty much any position. I tried a few awkward angles and it didn't skip a beat. It doesn't come with any extra wiring, just the screws, so make sure your old harness is still good. If you have a smaller Honda and need something reliable that won't break the bank, this is a safe bet for your daily rides. Product number 2, Mighty Max YTX L4S-BS. This one is definitely the little brother of the group. It's quite small, weighing in with only 3 AH and 50 CCA. When I held it, I realized right away this isn't meant for a massive foreman or rincon. It's designed for smaller displacement bikes or kids' ATVs. I tested it on a smaller 50cc engine and it fired up instantly. The build quality is standard Mighty Max, spill-proof and tough against vibrations. I took it down some pretty washboard-style trails and the internal plates held up fine. Just a heads up, the polarity has the negative on the left, so double-check your cables before you buy. It's a great low-cost replacement if you're just trying to get a small pit bike or youth Honda back on the trail for the season. Number 3. Yuasa UAM72Z14YTZ14S. Now, this Yuasa is in a different league. The moment I picked it up, I could tell it was a premium bit of gear. It comes factory activated, so I didn't have to mess with adding acid. I just bolted it in and went. What really impressed me during the cranking test was the power. It claims 30% more cranking amps than standard batteries, and you can really hear the difference in how fast the engine turns over. It uses a radial grid design that seems to give it a lot more oomph on those stubborn cold starts. It's built to last a lot longer than the cheaper alternatives, and after a few weeks of heavy use, it still feels brand new. If you rely on your Honda for work or serious trail riding, the extra investment here is worth the peace of mind. Product number 4, Mighty Max Y50N18L-A3. This is the absolute beast of the bunch. It's huge compared to the first two, and I actually had to use 2 hands to get it into the tray. With 21 AH and a massive 350 CCA, this is what you want if you're running winches, extra lights, or a plow on your Honda. When I tested it, I ran my winch for a good bit and the battery didn't even flinch. Like the others, it's an AGM spill-proof design, so I didn't worry about it while climbing steep grades. It handles vibrations like a champ, which is great because a battery this heavy can sometimes rattle itself to death if it isn't built right. If you've got a big bore Honda with a lot of accessories, this is the powerhouse you need to keep everything running. Product number 5, Mighty Max YTX 14-BS. This last one is what I'd call the sweet spot for most Honda owners. It's a 12 AH battery with 200 CCA, which is plenty of power for most mid to large ATVs. When I installed it, the fit was perfect, and the positive terminal is on the left, which matched my setup perfectly. It feels very balanced, not too heavy, but clearly has enough lead in it to do the job. I left this one sitting for a few days in the cold, and it still cranked the engine over on the first try, without any sluggishness. It's a maintenance-free SLA battery, so I just tucked it away and forgot about it. If you want a solid upgrade from your stock battery, but don't need the extreme power of the 350 CCA model, this is the one I'd grab. That's the breakdown of the best batteries for your Honda. I've put links to all 5 of these in the description below so you can check the current prices and see which one fits your specific model. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you out on the trails.